Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, we're able to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world for now. Let's start today's news. Alright, so Gary O'Neill will be the coach of Wolverhampton Wanderers. So Baba Tomiyasu, where they ask him about the Arsenal match, say hi it go be. So Baba talk say the Arsenal game is going to be a real test for us, yes, because if you say Arsenal they in a good space, they're playing very well, they don't really get major injury worries. Unlike when they play Man City, they get some kind of players who don't really did the game, way make them constantly win when they downplay their own strengths. But say for the Emirates Stadium, say somehow it would be a bit difficult because everybody knows say when it comes to the Emirates, the energy, the electricity in the stadium, the atmosphere, it's gonna give you goosebumps. So Baba said on the filler, so you know they talk say almost say don't know how the match will be, say almost say it's going to be a very real test. And when you check last season when they come here, that's whether I think it was the last match of the season itself, if I'm not mistaken, they dropped 5-0. So this time around, we expect to maybe do the same because if they come the way they normally play, say they won't come outside, play normal open football because they play open football and they know how to break lines. What of good though get for their build-up play, they did very good. But let's say they're going to miss the services of Pedro Neto, we go fit stretch our wings, that our fullback area I guess, but that God say you know even they. So let us see what they are bringing to the table. Alright, so for the Arsenal vs Wolves match, so the preview, I don't think we really, like Ateta talk yesterday, we don't really get any injury worries again, like fresh one. You get, so everybody will play for the Champions League match, everybody there available. Everybody that play against Lens, like nobody don't join the injury table and nobody don't come from injury table, can join the full squad. So we still have a decent amount of players available for this match. Now when you check the head-to-head record we'll get against Wolves, so for our last 5 games, Arsenal win 2, draw 1, and they win 2, lose 1, and draw 2. The last season we actually won 5-0. Yeah, that's 2022-2023 season. So today I'm optimistic. For me, I see that kind 3-0. You get, say Arsenal will win. But we know say the match was still tough. At the same time, forget I talk 3-0, the match is still tight, one kind. No. But based on say Emirates Stadium will play, I know say Arsenal they like to open the floodgates early, get that kind of 20 minutes, get so Arsenal supposed to bar, give them one, get that's if Wolves come outside the ball, if they decide to pack the bus, which is not the Wolves way of playing, but if they decide to pack the bus, you go tough small, but more just to watch how everything will unfold. Alright, I don't know whether on day I will say Arsenal this season they have only conceded 28 shots against them. Like they don't allow teams. In how many games they don't play? They don't allow teams to wipe shot 28 times, which is very low. You get, because we have a sturdy defense. We have senior men defenders. Although now only 13 goals we don't allow them to score us, and part of the 13 goals individual errors follow inside. You get. So apart from the individual errors, you go see Arsenal considered fewer goals, I guess, and that is testament of the fact of waiting Ateta they do. Like our defense, they're too much. They play very well. Like we are proud of them. We are our defenders they play. Like look at the match against RCLS. Look at that last ditch effort when Gabriel Jesus defense. Look at the way he celebrated like saying don't win the league. That is how important defending is to our defender. Like they take joy in doing their job. Like yes. You know how those Newcastle, Joelinton, Bumares, how they celebrate when they play against us. So we say they will do some kind of defending, they go happy, and so Arsenal B, then defend, they will do high five, back, confirm, good job. No? I just be proud of the guys. Even they ask Ateta about the media setting about Gabriel Jesus and Saliba, so Ateta just they very happy. Like he spoke a lot about that. One could say when you look at the age of Saliba, Gabriel Jesus, I'm talking about 22, 23, 24, highest, get within that range, get. And they are playing regularly in the Premier League. And according to Rio Ferdinand, they are the best. That partnership for the Premier League. No partnership picture. They are the best. Yes. So what more can we say now? It's just a happy time to be an Arsenal fan. Alright, so Paul Merson will be one of the Arsenal legends. So Basel come as I talk about the match where Arsenal will play against Wolves today, 4 p.m. Nigerian time. So Baba Conde of the opinion say that match, say the way in this year, the Arsenal is going to be too much for Wolves. And when you look at it, that Arsenal is playing at home in front of their own fans. The Wolves they just lose their last match against Fulham. Now they lost 3-2. Where they complain about referee. So this time around they're coming to the Emirates Stadium. So in the C3-1. Say Arsenal, me I don't even want to concede. Now be my man. No, that's I want more keep clean sheets. But in the same the C Wolves at least scoring a consolation goal. So me I don't know what to be now prediction. What do you see in this game? What do you see happening? Do you see that 3-0, 4-0, 5-0? Do you see 1-0? Or are you like going away from the usual way, or do you see Arsenal losing? Like me personally, for the Emirates Stadium, I remember so we never lose any match this season at home. In fact, for the Champions League, we never concede any goal at home. So this time around, they're playing at home. I know say will they always do better. My own fear now. Are they going to be playing a low block, or will they have the confidence to come outside and face us man to man? If they do that, they're finished. Alright, they ask Ateta say, okay, now we say they praise Gabriel Jesus and Saliba. What's it gonna make you start in the beginning of the season when you put Gabriel Jesus on the bench? So make it make sense. That in the present, say them good, then this one. Why you can't put them on the bench? So Ateta can't explain. Sometimes you need to understand. Say many people there for your back. Maybe say they won't take your place. So you need to understand that one. And most times you need to sit on the bench and realize things. And suddenly you've become a good player. So when Ateta made that statement, I can't realize it. You see that time when they put Magalhaes on the bench, they talk say that because Zinchenko get injury, Thomas Partey like go make sense. Thomas Partey got enter the defense right back so that he go invert come midfield. But with the power of hindsight now, don't you think it is safe to say Ateta was trying to teach Gabriel Magalhaes a lesson because of the consistent errors when they usually do? Because when you look at it now, all of a sudden, Gabriel Magalhaes is a different player. He doesn't really do errors again. He's playing with confidence again. So don't you think that bench when they put him, he can realign in mentality, he resets in brain, he can see games differently. That is why now they're more cautious. Look at William Saliba. All through the season, Saliba never collected a yellow card. Are you telling me Saliba not the put leg, not the tackle, not the jump people? Why hasn't he gotten one yellow card? One, day. So Gabriel Magalhaes also, he's still aggressive, but when was the last time Gabriel Magalhaes got a card? You don't understand? So that is what me, I just pick. So I know that when I observe this thing with me, I observe, say, ever since we put Gabriel Magalhaes for bench, this guy has become a better player. And at the same thing for the press conference interview that they asked Ateta, that's what he said. Sometimes you need to stay on the bench, realize things, and suddenly you've become a better player, which is what happened to Gabriel Magalhaes. And is this because me, I usually when 1 + 1 = 2, the witch cried in the night, the baby died in the morning, obviously. That's what me I did think. So with that analogy, does it mean that is the same thing they are doing to Ramsdale? Because Ramsdale, they're very, very playful in the games. So now if they don't put out the bench, maybe he will realign himself, reset his brain, then later he will come in. I don't know, this one I conjecture. Me, I just think I'm out, I don't think out loud. Say, is that what it means for Ramsdale? The same way they put Gabriel Magalhaes on the bench? So I don't know. What's what I think? Alright, so they even tell Ateta for the media setting say about Tomiyasu. Say Tomiyasu has been very, very good offensively. Look at the match he played against Arsenal. I think he got 2 assists in that match. So say whether Ateta will continue to play and there, because I don't think any of us saw that side of Tomiyasu. But they feel say in the better defensively, unlike when they go attack, when they join the attack, say they're as good as other players. But the reverse has been the case because the guy has been playing very, very well. In fact, I think I can talk say more they carry the way. Say the first priority of Tomiyasu is to stay at the back, is to defend. Then any other team we can come at with there, a bonus. I just added, so we are proud of him, we are happy, may just continue. At least if they give me joy, say we will feel rest somebody like Ben White, Tomiyasu go play. We'll feel rest somebody like Zinchenko, Tomiyasu go play. Like come on, the guy is one of the most valuable players that we have. Player that can play multiple areas. That guy good guy. Alright, so Kai Havertz also come and second the praise Gabriel Jesus. So Baba Conde of the opinion say, almost say don't see Gabriel Jesus for training. Say this guy is playing fantastically. He's the best striker I ever played with. I see it every day in training. It's an honor to play with him. You see his quality on the pitch. He can link up very well and he helps everybody on the pitch. All these things when you talk about Gabriel Jesus, these are facts. Nobody they dispute them, nobody they argue them. The only place where we get problem with Gabriel Jesus, now the fact say his goal tally is very, very low. His overall style of play, build up play, help people to excel, all those ones, nobody they argue him. But at the end of the day, what role are you playing for Arsenal? Are you a centre forward? If you are a centre forward, you will be judged based on your centre forward position. People want to see goals. Are they happy saying they score goals? But the team is saying the goals now only for the Champions League with the Siam. When it comes to the league, the goals are very, very few. In fact, we can still cut him some slack based on how many EPL games he don't play. Indicated has got a hat-trick against Sheffield United. How far? Where is he? Not always score hat-trick. If I talk and say those Sheffield na shit back. In fact, if you remember, if you cast your mind back for that Sheffield United match, I was the person that even predicted that he should score hat-trick in this type of game because they have a low defense, they concede a lot of goals. So, and it happened because I already saw it coming. So what are we trying to say? We still need Gabriel Jesus to add to his scoring boots in as much as they praise and say, yes, build up play, link up play, making people better. I agree. But you still need to add to your goal tally because obviously there's not a great chance for you. If they're not a great chance for you, it's a different issue. But they create chance for you, so come on. You really have no excuse. Boss net for us, over. Alright, so 90 minutes will be one of our monitoring spirits. They're going to let us know to say Hugurasi is targeting a Premier League move. Now, Sergio Guirassy is the striker that plays for Stuttgart, VfB Stuttgart in Germany. He's 28 years old. So this guy don't feel say in representatives feel say January is ripe. January is the right time for him to switch to the Premier League. This guy don't play so many games for Amiens, Reims, like so many small clubs in the past. But now God can do it for him. He called the better. This season, he don't score like 15 goals in the Bundesliga. In fact, the only person who don't outscore him for Bundesliga that be Harry Kane will score 18 goals. Imagine scoring 15 goals in how many games? He scored 16 goals in 11 games in all competition. But you know, the very easy. The guy is very, very prolific, and another thing we say he's very, very tall. And you know the funny part, Fabrizio Romano made us understand that he has a £15.2 million buyout clause because obviously they buy him from a small club, so they don't know saying go better in the future. So that is what is in his contract. I don't say Stuttgart said, but the partner said, oh, take contract extension, I'm not going to increase your buyout clause because January people will come. So Arsenal, if they really wanted the player now, they can just go there and bust every house. But in fact, we still give them extra, give them like 20 million, even though the buyout clause is 15.2 million, so that we get the player. So more just see how it will be, whether we go get the player or not. Because this time we say Vlahovic, they talk say in the happy at Juventus. So from the look of things, Vlahovic area is a no-go area. So when you look at areas like Ivan Toney is a no-go. So many things. That's what it does be. Now talking about Ivan Toney, so for the press conference ahead of the Brentford match they will play for this weekend, they're going to interview Thomas Frank, will be Brentford manager. So Babacon they very, very desperate. It's going to make an open plea. Going to say, I don't want to lose Ivan Toney. I hope and I think he will be a Brentford player come February 1. Now, when I saw that statement, I can tell from the undertones that Thomas Frank is like under pressure to actually sell Ivan Toney. And the player on the other hand go they pressurize them because Ivan Toney will they believe say if he no join Arsenal for this January, Arsenal will get somebody else, and if they get somebody else, in dream is dead because it would be very difficult for him to come join Arsenal in the summer. That is if Arsenal goes ahead to get somebody in January. So for Thomas Frank to make that statement, since that people background will not know about it again, because the player the ginger say, Baba, I won't leave. That's why he ditched his agents to go and join CAA Stellar Group. So he really wants to leave. So most of the watch as everything will be, if he won't leave, fine, we're really ready to bust everyone's money he gets. If he knows still won't leave, fine, because so they don't come as I let everybody know say, I love Arsenal, I love the fans, I love the manager, I love the style of play. So there's nothing not to love about Arsenal at this moment. So, and if you can't join us, you go uplift us the way they can rise up. Imagine Ivan Toney there for your front there, area threats, cross and bully everybody, area day, wine. So now I said they make me the happy, like the prospects of him joining. It's out of this world. Alright, my dear stand lovers, if you know what yesterday, you should check the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click on so that you get all last now update as they drop all over the world. So start you signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. And get out.